The Hilly Hole Park! That's the perfect spot to build our ice castle.
Let's land this baby. Okay, boys and girls. Oh, and penguins. We got the ice, we got the plan. Now, let's build an ice castle and cool this town down. We're done! Perfectamundo. Our ice castle is finished. It's everything we imagined.
Towers!
A drawbridge!
Forsooth, Peking Duckling, thine ice castle is a triumph.
Thanks, Sir Scoops-a-lot.
Hear ye, hear ye. Gather, Hilly Hole townsfolk. May I present King Peking and his glorious ice castle.
Amazing castle.
A crown for me?
Speech! He loves giving speeches.
Oh, if you insist. I'm so glad you like our ice castle. And I hope it cools everyone down like it's supposed to. Is it, working yet?
Yeah, I feel cool as a cucumber.
My frozen yogurt isn't melting.
Oh, I feel nice and chilly. Oh, good. I think. But I didn't build this castle alone. I had help from the penguins and jumpkins and wombat. Huh? Oh, there's really no need to cry, wombat.
I'm not crying, Peking. The castle is dripping.
Dripping?
Hey, what's going on?
The sun is melting thy castle. Flee, lords and ladies, flee!
Let's move it, Peking.
No, it can't be. My beautiful ice castle's melting. Melting.